In front of me is Xiaomi 14T, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by launching settings and scrolling all the way down to hit apps. Now tap on app lock here, select turn on, and tap on change password to select one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password. Then create it, repeat it to confirm it, and tap on next at the bottom right corner. Now you can sign in into your Mi account, and if you don't want to do that, tap on Not Now and wait 5 seconds to choose Not Now in the pop-up. Now if you want to lock all of those apps, select Use App Lock right away. If you don't, you need to click on all of them, check for 0 over here, and then tap on Use App Lock. To add your fingerprint and allow it to unlock your apps, select Settings in the pop-up. To do it later or never, select Cancel. Now to lock any app, tap on gray switcher next to it. When you finished, just go back. So now when I try to access one of those apps, I can see that pattern is required. If you want to disable app lock from your apps, go back to exactly the same settings. Enter your app lock login method and click on No Blue Switchers next to your apps. To disable app lock completely, use this gear at the top right corner. Tap on blue switcher next to app lock feature and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!